Most neural implants are made with stiff materials that trigger an immune foreign body response, creating scar tissue that can isolate the device. To address this, a research team at the University of Cambridge developed a biohybrid interface that uses flexible electronics layered with human muscle cells, myocytes, derived from stem cells, also known as iPSCs. These cells acted as a biological bridge, helping the implant to integrate with the body more naturally. Okay, how does it work? The team fabricated ultra-thin, flexible electrode arrays and seeded it with human myocytes programmed to mature directly into the device. These biohybrid devices were implanted into a rat model to see if damaged nerves would reconnect with them. Initially, the electrical signals were low as the nerve began to regenerate. However, by week 4, the recordings greatly improved, reaching a high mean signal-to-noise ratio of 32.0 decibels. This happened because the rat's motor actions grew into the implant and formed neuromuscular junctions with the human muscle cells. Essentially, the nerve plugged into the cell, allowing the biological cells to amplify signals for the electrodes. Now, why does it matter? Organizations such as Science Corporation and ARIA Neurotechnologies are currently advocating for the development of high-resolution interfaces to restore sensory and motor functions. While many traditional approaches stab into nerves, causing trauma, this biohybrid method is regenerative. It encourages tissue to grow into the device and minimizes scarring, while potentially getting signals from single cells, which is necessary to increase spatial resolution. This research represents a huge shift from simply bypassing an injury to actually healing the tissue with the electronics interface. And this could mean a new generation of prosthetics that could interpret motor signals with far greater accuracy and longevity. Fun fact, Amy Rochford, the main author of this paper, did go after this to work at Science Corporation, and now she is running her own startup called Axo Neurotech. That's it for today. See you tomorrow and stay super healthy.